Okay, I don't know if this is going to turn out, but look, I have a male cardinal in the snowbank, and he's taking advantage of the blue jay that's on the suet block, making little pieces of suet fall down in the snow. So it's rare that I get a show of colors like this, blue and red. So I thought I'd try to get a shot, even if it's going to appear a little far, I guess. Yeah, I've seen the cardinal and both the male and the female yesterday. So there's a couple around. We're gonna have little babies this summer, maybe. Oh, right up in the tree somewhere.